Bukan, sana.
Nah, jaga-jaga kalau ada bis. Lihat
945
nomornya,
ya.
lihat nomornya. Oke.
945. Apa yang 945?
Nomornya bisnya 945.
Oh, ini 945.
Mana? Belakang.
Ayo. Jalan diri. Jalan diri. Ayo. Saya foto sini ya. Me.
guests at the back, can you hear me, guys? You can hear me. Everyone there? Very good. Loud and clear. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon.
Hi.
Hello. Welcome on board to Singapore Doctors. I am Bullet, and I'll be your tour host for your 1-hour adventure. Half an hour on land and half on water. The good-looking man behind me, in charge of the wheels, our land and sea captains, very gorgeous, very handsome land and sea captains. These are Captain Assis and Captain Du Tao. A round of applause for our captains, please, guys. Thank you so much. First and foremost, guys, safety precautions. Please remain seated while the duck is in motion. Also refrain from extending your arms, your heads, or other body parts outside the duck. During unlikely events while we are on the river, I would like you guys to remember that your life jackets are all under your seats. Guys, take a look to your right. That hotel, the Ritz-Carlton Millenia. I know some of you guys are staying in the nearby hotels. Well, in fact, here in Singapore, we do have 200 plus hotels. 40 plus of those hotels are all 5-star hotels. Only 2 are rated 6-star hotels. The Ritz-Carlton Hotel is one of that 2 6-star hotels. And later, I'll be showing to you the other 6-star hotel. If we all have names, this duck also has a name. Take a look at the board. The name of the duck, that's Katrina. So we actually have 5 ducks. That's Katrina, Orleans, Darcy, Darla, and Darlene. So these ducks were made by the US Marines during the Vietnam War. Originally for wars way back in 1960s. We are now passing by Makan Sutra Lotus, by one of the oldest food centers here in Singapore. It usually opens at around 5-6 p.m. And talking about food, when you're here, do try our local dishes. Just like chicken rice, duck rice, satays. Satays are like chicken or pork barbecue in other countries, served with peanut gravy sauce. And also chili crabs, black pepper crabs, all very, very delicious foods. It's very hot today, right guys? Very humid. Actually, and once again, the old Supreme Court to your left, together with City Hall in front over there, will now be our home of visual arts or National Arts Gallery in the year 2015. Take a look to your right, guys. Marina Bay Sands. Later, you'll have a more beautiful view of the Marina Bay Sands when we're on the water, a closer view. Also guys, if you do have questions on the way, feel free to ask, okay? Coming to our left is the first and the oldest Anglican Cathedral, St. Andrew's Cathedral. And one interesting fact about that church, that is not the original. That's the 3rd church now. Because the first 2 churches mounted on that area, believe it or not, were struck by lightning twice at the same spot. So you now know, guys, that lightning can strike twice at the same spot. Way back 1845 and 1849. Yes. And this house to our right is the Singapore Recreation Club, very famous of the very first heated swimming pool, a gymnasium, and a bowling center. And all of those that I have mentioned are all underground. 73 stories high. So from the ground all the way up to the 73rd floor, it has 1,336 steps. I mentioned steps because year, there is a vertical marathon happening in the Swiss hotel. And a German has a record of only 6 minutes and 49 seconds only. Very, very fast. Anyone interested in joining the marathon? Because the winner of the marathon will go to US to compete with the Empire State Building. So practice now, guys. The land coming to our right, guys, is the Civilian War Memorial Park in memory of those people who died during World War II. Those 4 gigantic white pillars that looks like 2 pairs of giant chopsticks, it represents and symbolizes unity, solidarity of all the races that we have in Singapore. And also, guys, if we have there the tallest hotel, we also have the shortest hotel. Ironically, right at that junction, behind that white boutique with that red-orange brick roof is the shortest, the oldest, and yet the most prestigious hotel in Singapore. Even from Ernest Hemingway, Queen Elizabeth Taylor, Michael Jackson, Charlie Chaplin, Beyonce, David Beckham, and a lot more have graced its halls. So whenever we have kings, queens, socialize, at least be a hotel over there, get ready with your budget. That's $800 to $8,000. That's how we see this. And also, guys, the road that we took before we turned, that is what we call the beach road in front of the Raffles Hotel. Raffles Hotel was very famous because it was once a beachfront hotel. You heard me right? Because that beach road over there was the original shoreline of Singapore. If we are driving on the same place way back before 40 years ago, we are now safe. We are now swimming, guys. That is why Suntec City, this area, is a very perfect example of a reclaimed land. But now, guys, underground this road that we took over there is a shopping mall, Citylink. So we have shops, boutiques, restaurants underground. We are now passing by the second largest shopping mall in the country, Suntec City. Number 1, the largest is Vivo City, located at Harbour Park, just outside of the Also, guys, I will get most of you haven't seen any police. Have you seen any police? Not so many, but very, very few. But not do anything bad because we still have thousands of CCTV cameras positioned all over Singapore on almost every we have CCTV. Making Singapore a very, very safe place to visit and to live and serve. Also, going around is very easy because of our public transportation vehicles. We have buses, cabs, and trains. Our bus stations, our train stations are very tourist-friendly. We do have a lot of signage. One of the MRT stations over there, the Promenade. MRT stands for Mass Rapid Transit. And the construction in front will be an additional train line. All of our train lines are all interconnected with one another, making it more convenient for everyone. Most especially guys, heading now to our splash point. So before reaching the splash point, let's have a bit of introduction, okay? So I'll be just asking where you guys are going. Let's start with those friends there at the back. Hello. Welcome guys to the Galong River, the longest river here in Singapore. 10 kilometers long. Guys, we'll resume the commentary right after we pass the bridge. So for the meantime, take out all your cameras. I'll be roaming around to take pictures of you. We'll start there at the back, okay? worth up to 40 pesos. Also guys, you can rent the capsules of the flyer for your private meetings, birthday celebrations, anniversaries, and small weddings. And if you guys are looking for a romantic dinner date menu, find the flyer for only $249 per couple. A very romantic sky dining experience. And a very expensive one. the Swiss Hotel are those two spicy notes. The Esplanade is perfect. Our small version of Australia's and people, our locals say, it looks like a durian. Do you know durian? Have you seen a durian, guys? Durian? Doesn't know. A durian is a tropical fruit famous people. Very slimy and very stinky. People say it smells like hell, but tastes like heaven. So that's a must try when you get to Singapore. Try that, the durian. But the original design of the Esplanade was not to look like durians, but two giant microphones. Because that is our flagship control and performing arts. It was built in 2002 with a cost of $600 million. In front, guys, a closer look at the CBD area, and also you can see the Fullerton Hotel, which was previously the General Post Office, but now converted in a very luxurious 6-star hotel. That's the other 6-star hotel. The Fullerton Hotel was also named as the best hotel in Asia a number of times. Anyone loves chocolates? Any chocoholics? There we go, a family of chocoholics here. Go there at the Fullerton Hotel during Fridays and Saturdays because the Fullerton Hotel is very famous for their 9-year tradition of serving chocolate every night. Any chocolates that you can think of, they have. Even their drinks are also chocolate. Fridays and Saturdays, guys, 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. Very delicious. I think price starts at $46 then. You guys are drooling now. Unfortunately, guys, our national tourism icon is on a holiday today. We are now preparing the Merlion for its 40th anniversary in September. So renovating now, cleaning the Merlion as well. But if you go there at the Merlion Park, you can still take your pictures with the Merlion because we still have the cute, the very, very cute little baby Merlion at the park. By the way, guys, trivia, do you know how many official Merlions live in Singapore? Do you know how? 2? Let's count. That's 1. That's the Mama Merlion over there. The baby Merlion at the back. Papa Merlion working for a living in Sentosa Island. And Uncle and Auntie Merlion, Mount Faber, and Tourism Club. A total of 5 official Merlions here in Singapore. Next to the OUE building, the one that has a tip at the top, that's the Sale, a residential building. Imagine the cost living there. Those blue buildings, that's the 2nd Financial District, Marina Bay Financial District. Guys, if you want to buy there a condo at the Sale, that's $2,300 to $3,000 per square. Very, very good. Can I stay there as well? Can I join you guys? Very sweet. So these are my best friends now. Hello, best friends. Very nice view there, right? You guys have a very good view of the Marina Bay every day for 3 weeks. Oh my God, I need you. And the world's most expensive standalone casino property invested by U.S. Las Vegas Sands, Marina Bay Sands, Integrated Resort. They have 3 hotel luxury towers. That's 55 stories, connected by a 1-hectare sky terrace roof at the top, which we call the Sky Park. And of course, at the Sky Park, they have the world's most longest elevation infinity swimming pool. 3 times the size of an Olympic swimming pool. All the way up there. For those interested going up there, of course you can go to Chapter 3.
jalan sendiri. Ayo cepat.
Nggak bisa naik lagi nih.
Ayo kanan terus. Kanan.
And your video camera. Any mobile phone, sir?
Nggak tahu.
Any mobile phone in your pocket?
No.
Okay, thank you.
Oh iya.
Oh, you have? Okay, thank you.
What else? No more. Mau foto? Ayo foto yuk.
Tapi kalau ditulisan itu kayak bulu-bulunya tuh tulus ya.
Jangan, Cece. Mundur. Nun, Tasya.
Jadi mau balik Kak? Balik.
Mau naik dulu.
Tapi mau balik. Nggak masuk mallnya. Nggak masuk mall.
Motor suwi ya? Motor suwi ya?
37 menit. Saya itu 28 orang.
Di sini satu kapsul.
Ada 28 kapsul. Sekali muter lakpek lebih kalau. Berarti sekali muter lakpek lebih.
Tak kapsul.
Satu putaran. Kan 28.
Orangnya. Kali nabi oi.
28 dari 28.
Nih kalau nabi $1 itu.
1 jam 1.568 orang. Oke.
Udah. Ada yang larang.
Hah?
Ada yang larang. Ada yang larang. Ada $65. Wah, ini eksklusif. Ada champagne siapa?
Oh, bisa makan-makan itu.
Yo.
Oke. Suruh megangin tangannya. Ayo mama sama Dede.
Ayo. Cepet.
Sini loh, Nek.
By the way. Oh, whole bench. Chop.
Tiada jalan keluar. No exit.
Is this opposite cell?
Anak berdiri.
Di atas itu ada orang-orang. Ada orang-orang sampai sini. Kalau lu sampai atas cepet.
Oh enggak, aman. Udah ada.
Rodanya yang tak saya pakai.
Banyak deh.
Oh, kalah. Rodanya ini sama aku. Oh, yang si.
Kan si damen här från hela.
Big short.
Det är så just det. Open your eyes up. ？Bagus ya, bagus ya. Apa ada botol?
Kapal kuningnya di jalan di sana loh, Cek. Ada kapal kuningnya. Sudah yang Cek suka. Jalan di sana. Oh iya.
Cek.
Hah? Ini orang-orang masih di bawah ya? Iya.
Cek.
Yang baru yang udah terus coba di atas. Ini buka jalan yang tulannya. Ini kelihatannya. Kami ini belum di atas sih, Kak. Sudah loh, lihat. Kita akan lihat. Enggak jatuh, lihat. Enggak, tutup. ini disiram. Kalau teman-teman orang, yang ini disiram. Tanah orang megang itu lagi disiram. Iya, siram. Siram kayak dancong. Ya, gini ya, gini. Coba sekarang kayak gini. Oh, jadi sekarang jalan pakai ininya ada banyak dua terus bisa berarti lantai-lantainya yang licin kalau lantai-lantainya yang nggak licin ya nggak tahu. Jadi kalau sekarang kayak gini kalau baik nah swimming dan sekarang kalau berenang kayak swimming sampai di sini tangannya sampai orang yang kayak putih juga kayak air sampai air memang diginiin air berarti iya kayak naut iya naut tapi kakinya namun gonggo sakit kan ini nggak mau mau juga enggak ya gonggo kaki naut kita enak ya dia digolong-golong sama orang iya digolong-golong tapi jangan pakai kok jalannya kayak macet ya ini ya ya nanti tambah tinggi ya iya nanti tambah tinggi kalau sudah kita kalau sudah sampai itu nanti balik lagi kalau sampai hitam-hitamnya sudah apa itu kalau sampai hitam-hitamnya sudah turun ya turun ya kasih lihatlah ini karena kalau lihat kayak gini tak kayak gini nggak mau jangan lihat dong.
Hei, Cek, Meh.
Kamu nggak usah lihat dong. Kok kayak gini loh. Gini, biar. Itu kayak lantainya sini loh. Sini lah.
Meh.
Waktu itu kayak gini aja soalnya tadi memang kayak gini. Oh, kayak gini. Itu kayak oh, ini kayak rosa. Itu kayak ya. Sah. Nah, pakai foto ya itu.
Bukan ini Lexus ini.
Tunggu, Mai. Kita ramai. Desa bunyi.
Kok desa bunyi kok? Anu, kosong.
Loh, video. Warna-warna itu ya. Orang Indonesia warna beli kaos 1 biji 39,59. Beli golekan anake $18 golek sakit.
Gampang.
Itu sampai di sini.
Jadi redakturnya kaosnya murah 15 kan sih lumayan ya.
Dulu nggak bisa.
33.
Ayo, Me. Ingat ya.
Oh iya, memang di malam nggak usah nyat pakai itu aja ya. Di mulutnya bebek.
Itu enggak.
Tuh kok ada bunyi
Itu enggak. Soalnya itu enggak nyot.
Itu enggak nyata.
Enggak.
Dulu dia
Enggak iswe.
itu dulu masih kecil
Ini
nyot.
modern.
Sekarang enggak.
Ini kan motor je Ling minta pakai kita sama, tak boleh pakai kita kan tidak anu. Menyala keracunan, jadi nak langsung nak.
Tiket saya lagi bang.
Lihat yang jam berapa ni? 7.40 kan tutup.
Oh ini mobilnya masuk nih. Oh ini mobilnya masuk.
Ini masih sampai.
Go.
Cepat.
Berhenti Meme juga berhenti. Oh ya.
Dah lah ya apa ya? 7.40 terus makannya jam berapa?
Ya langsung beli tiket langsung dimakan.
Kalau sampai lu sentralnya jam biru.
Itu 8.40.
Mending tuku sing 8.40 terus nunggu mangan.
Ya wes.
Sedilok tau.
40 menit ya, 30 menit ya.
Oh.
Pertunjukannya 30
Pertunjukan sedilutok karena setengah jam lah.
20 menit berarti.
20 menitan.
20-30 menit lah. Aku tak ini. Tapi tidak sulit.
Baju bilang nggak lihat tau.
Nomor lain.
Kau mau?
Mau.
Terus.
Ya kamu
Ayo,
tak pasal ya.
Ini kemana Mami?
Beli jalan-jalan.
Iya ya.
Mami,
Situ kok.
Hotel Sentosa.
Ini
Ini
Sentosa
bangun
ini.
hotel.
Rasa saya.
Hotel Sentosa.
Ini kita mau ke Sentosa tapi.
Iya.
Sentosa.
Terus.
Tapi ini kita mau ke Sentosa.
Ini sudah
Sudah dibilang sudah di Sentosa kok. Tanya lagi.
Tapi kita tidak masuk Sentosanya
Loh,
Mami.
sudah di Sentosa, Mei.
Ngerti bahasa Indonesia dah.
Ini kita ada di Sentosa.
Mau ngapain di Sentosa? Ini kayak inyap ya. Mami, mau ngapain di Sentosa?
Mau lihat itu loh. Air mancur.
Did you see that? The girl, the beautiful girl. That was incredible. Where did she come from? And you, did you see her? She was there, above the village. She was asleep.
But why? And how?
Please come back. Where have you gone?
What is he doing? Lee, come back!
Ah, come back.
Is it me you're looking for?
No, I'm looking for an angel.
Oh, then it's me!
No, she's a beautiful girl.
Did you say beautiful? Ah, it would be me then.
It's me.
Oh no, it's me.
It's me!
Oh no,
It's me!
It's me.
It's me!
It's me. You're not the one. It's me.
It's me!
It's me, not you. He thinks it's me.
It's me, don't kid yourself, it's me! It's me!
Me,
It's me, it's me, you're not the one, it's me!
Not you. He thinks it's me.
It's me, don't kid yourself, it's me. It's me,
It's me!
it's me. It's actually me.
Hey! Oscar's coming!
Oh, Oscar.
Hello, Oscar.
Who is that?
Hello. Hello, Lee. Who are you? And how do you know my name? I'm Oscar, and I have always lived here. So I know many things. Huh? I also know who you're looking for. Who is she? Where is she? Well, she is Princess Annie. But finding her is not going to be that easy.
You won't find her! Take me!
No, take me!
Oh no! Please, take me.
Oscar! Oscar! Tell me where to find her! Princess Annie fell asleep a long time ago. Your song made her appear, but she is still under the enchantment of the sleeping village.
She's sleeping.
How can I awaken her then? Maybe your voice is pure enough to break the charm. Try singing again.
Try it, Lee. Try singing again.
But be careful.
Hotel. Hotel
Yang mau ke sini motor video lek mau. Saya bisa lagi ya, kita
Foto ya tak video aku mandan lagi. Tangannya sih.
Murah.
sama temennya.
Namanya siapa?
Joy.
Oke, teman namanya Joey.
Joy, iya ada.
Ini jasa tak teko. Bersih itu benderanya. Bersih. Belum dimandiin. Sudah. Keramas. Besok nggak keramas ya, Mei. Ya. Mandi tok ya. Dan sudah siap. Jadi kamu kunci ya. Hah? Dua.
Ini ada. Tuh.
Tuh. Gambar hitam. Siapa nyanyi? Orangnya. Cik, nyanyi apa? Ini di foto ini.
Itu ada kucing di atas mobil.
Di atas mobilnya ini.
Hah?
Ini Lolo, tak?
Siapa itu?
Ini bisa pecah. Lucunya Evelyn. Kayak sial.
Dia buat mobil.
Terus yang panas banget loh mau bikin Ryan tuh. Tambah perih-perih.
Tak, buka lagi.
Pas itu cek panasnya pokoknya.
Pas. Tapi ini ya masih kan bila di kampung panas, tidak hujan.
Iya.
Ada udah jalan-jalan. Mending panas ya hujan ya pas begini.
Iya.
Loh,
Malah panas
bola
ya
ini
mesti
siapa?
minum wakil.
Siapa?
Namanya ini. Ini kan ada logo sama ini bajunya.
Ini siapa ini?
Namanya Iki Ani namanya.
Bajunya kembar.
Ini mana nih?
Ini Broadwalk ini.
Ini ya footwork itu loh.
Vivo City.
Tinggal kamu jalan di sini.
Ini yang makan Ivenin ya.
Ini Vivo City.
Iya.
Nggak malam open. Oh iya.
Beri. Ini foto Ivenin. Semua ini di foto Ivenin.
Ini turun di sini.
Yang
Bis.
untuk tadi.
Masuk itu ke sini. Nah, naik bis itu ke sini.
Kemarin kan kamu tak coba di sini toh di bis tuh.
Iya.
Ini murah. Oh iya.
Itu yang di tempat kita pergi tuh, yang di Pasiris yang waktu kamu barusan datang.
Mainan dulu aja.
Yang main pasir.
Ini masih sore.
Ini masuk ini. Ini nggak masuk malam. Ada orang Pasiris.
Berbagai itu juga mall.
Boleh ke sini. Sini soalnya lebih ke ferry ke Batam.
Benderanya ditutup soalnya bukan akar.
Ferry ke Batam tuh dari sini.
Apa? Soalnya benderanya bukan ditutup. Kartini tuh ininya dibuka
Jadi
terus
parkirnya
taruh
di mall
sini
itu.
tuh. Kartini. Kartini
Batam melek ya.
Kalau di sini terus sampai
aku lagi situ ya belajar makan.
Pernah bikin tapi
Coba Johor.
ya.
Lebih Johor lebih kayak kota, Batam lebih gersang ya Pak ya.
Ini loh rambutnya di sini ya, tahu tunjukin. Ini loh rambut. Oh iya, yang bundar gitu ya.
Kondo di Abi.
Ini apa tuh hujan Pak?
Warang.
Hujan tadi.
Tapi settingnya bu nggak karuan. Masa sing bawah itu di cedak jalan umum.
Hujan. Deras.
Iya.
Ini sama ikan di mana?
Luar udah.
Nggak kehujanan.
Di payung.
Tapi tangannya nggak hujan.
Yuk.
Duh, sini nggak sudah beli roti teman aku.
Nah, anaknya ini bisa.
Kiranya nggak ada.
Tutup kaki.
Soalnya nggak kasih di sini.
Roti di mana ya Pak ya?
Anu tahu